no food to eat, no clothes to wear, no friends, no nothing. Others being beaten daily by anyone who wants to get rid of their stress. Voices of pain, sickness and sadness are all in mind of innocent children. God, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for Mama, a very precious gem with a golden heart, Ev.Mercy Nungari. She has the true beauty, warm and kind. You became a mother to many. Who became a mother to many children who have been suffering and abandoned, regardless of tribe, for it's a Kenyan child suffering. Mama, you became a mother and a comfort to cry on. God connected you with these innocent children to heal and rescue their broken hearts and lives, assuring them that their tomorrow will be greater. One day, Mama, they will come back being great men and women in the nation and the world. May your baskets never lack enough to feed and educate their broken hearts and lives. Kenyans, it's time to rescue a suffering child. Do something and bring healing to mankind. God bless you, Mama. God bless you, Manyari and the team. God bless you, Kenya. Remember, dear God, you are the Lord of all, greatest and kindest of all. Dear God, breathing your air from January to December, day and night, 24/7. Dear God, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Dear God, the creator of the universe, you surround us with your blessings, a true friend who shower us with miracles. So gentle and forgiving when we wrong you, always there to encourage us when it gets tough. Dear God, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you. Tika komaka. Mheshimiwa anatira ona ta moyi. Tore no uri ndo marumagirira mundu. Thank you tika teo kenene. Nekai matomahurire karugi kangi kega. Na ngai amatware kuraihu. Ndutiguoi. Na mwana ucio niaguthie kuraihu. Ukaha kijana. Kijana no uri.